Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me the new Ford Tourneo Connect 2022 version, and in this video we will make the test drive. We will drive the car and I will give you my feedback on how it's on the road, how is the visibility, how are the suspension, how is the comfort. I will give you all the details in terms of driving. If you want to see the full review, interior, exterior with the same car, I have a separate video on my channel already there. Probably if it's not already there, click the subscribe button to see the notification when that video will come out. There you can see all the details in the interior, exterior, material quality and stuff like that, so check out that video guys. Before we start driving, I want to give you some technical data. And by the way, if you are in Switzerland, check out TH Willy Garage. I will leave the link in the description. Also, they are in Bern and Zurich. They have a showroom and you can see the cars and buy the cars, and also they have great discounts. For example, on this Ford Tourneo Connect, it has 2,150 francs discount from the final price. Also, by the way, the starting price of this version is the titanium version. By the way, it's 36,160 francs with all this optional added. You can also pause and read it out. Will go to 42,140 francs, but with a discount the final price will be 39,990 francs. It's a very good price for this car. I said that also in the review video. Check out the review video and I explain you there also why. Anyway, check that video out. The model that I have with me, it comes with a 2-liter diesel engine, 4 cylinders inline, 122 horsepower. It connected with a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission that Volkswagen use it also on their cars. Now a little bit deeper in details. The weight of the car, 1,943 kilograms, 5.7 liters is the estimated consumption, 151 CO2 grams emission. It's in C-class, efficient class. And this model right here is the result of collaboration between Ford and Volkswagen. As you probably know or don't know, in the last time Volkswagen and Ford, they start a collaboration to make some car models, and this Ford Tourneo is the first collaboration and the first car that they did together, and I was super impressed to see this car, and I'm still impressed, and I feel a little bit different here, like in a hybrid between those two, because you can see different signature and different parts from Ford and different parts from Volkswagen, and I think this car will be a successful result between those two big huge car manufacturers, because Ford and Volkswagen, they are really strong, and I really believe in those two companies. I really like their cars, the design, the stability, reliability, it's really good, and the price is just phenomenal. I mean, I think if this car was made 100% from Volkswagen, it's already made. If you already see Volkswagen Caddy, I already have it on the channel, you will see that it's almost the same car as this Ford Tourneo. Anyway guys, let's drive the car and in the end we will make the conclusion. Alright guys, let's drive the car. By the way, this is the key, the same key as Volkswagen use it on most of the models in the last years. What you can do with the key, lock and unlock the car. The car comes with electric folding mirrors. It doesn't come with keyless entry, so that's something to keep in mind. You have to lock and unlock from the key. We have 17-inch rims, normal brake disc on the rear and ventilated brake disc on the front. Other than that, if you want to see the full review, check out the other video. In this video it's all about driving, so let's drive the car guys. Normal pedals, and we have these leather beautiful seats. They are super comfy. I drive the car before and it's super awesome. Manual adjustable seats. By the way, let me go inside. Down here you have 2 cup holders, electronic handbrake, auto hold, you have an armrest, you have this shift by wire transmission from Volkswagen. I love it, I have to tell you, I like it very much. It's connected with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Press the brake, start engine button, it's here. Let me put the seat belt. Here is the parking button. If you want to go in drive, you go down like that, press the brake and down. You want to go in reverse, go forward, you have the reverse camera here. Good resolution, also you can have it in wide. It's not the best resolution, but it's relatively good, I should say. You can use it without any problem. The car comes with parking sensors in the front, on the rear, 4 in the front, 4 on the rear. Here you have also wireless charging, a lot of storage space, 12-volt port, USB ports, a lot of things. Down here you have even heating windshield, so this is great for the winter. Heated seats of course, and also you have the lane assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency brake and all that safety features. We will test it right now as we go in the video. So guys, this is the map. By the way, the multimedia system is from Volkswagen. Check out the review to see it. You can also adjust the steering wheel manual, up, down, forward, backward. The cockpit is the classic one. So yeah, more about that, as I said before, you can see in the review video. I will reset the average consumption because I want to see what consumption we will get. So let me, how I reset that? Usually it should work like this. Driving data, come on, reset it, press this, yes, now it's reset. Let's drive it, guys. Put it in drive. We have also an S mean from sport mode. You can go in S or in D mean driving. So let's drive it. The visibility, it's okay, it's fine in this mirror. Good visibility in the back. There you have a huge window in the back. I wish although this mirror to be a little bit bigger. That compensate with the mirrors on the side, because mirrors on the side are huge. I mean, they are super big. Anyway, let's drive the car, guys. Let's drive it a little bit and I will give you my feedback. I will not go on the highway. I don't think I need to go on the highway because we have that 2-liter diesel engine, 122 horsepower. On the highway it's probably at high speed a little bit underpowered. I'm not sure, I didn't try it. We have 4 cylinders. Probably it's not, probably until 120 130 kilometers is just fine, but over that probably it will go a little bit slower. So if I was buy this car, this Ford Tourneo, I will definitely get it with around, I don't know, a bigger powerful motor. It's big, it's 2-liter, but 122 horsepower, it's somehow limited to this speed. Anyway, great visibility on the mirrors. As I said, I have a good position of driving. I feel like I'm in an SUV, to be honest. I feel quite high here on the road, and I see perfect. I have a big windshield. The windshield is super big. I can see everything. Also the pedals feel smooth and nice. They are very similar with the Volkswagen cars, to be honest. They have that feeling added to it. Also the transmission, it's the same feeling. It's really good. I like this 7-speed dual clutch transmission. I really like it. I think they did it. They always combine it really good with the engine, and it's changing the gears quite smooth, so I don't feel like it's under power or something like that. It's just changing fast. Don't have to worry about the noise inside the cabin. It's quite good. Can hear so many noise from outside. Maybe on the higher speed will be a little bit noisier on the highway, but at low speed here in the city, I should say, it's relatively silent. Good visibility on the cockpit, on the multimedia, the stalk, the steering wheel feel. I cannot say it's light. It's somehow in the middle, a little bit sportier, but in the same time quite lighter and easier to use, but you have to rotate it a little bit. So I should say the steering feeling, it's more like a Ford than a Volkswagen. Volkswagen cars are a little bit more assisted. This steering wheel, it's quite a little bit heavier, like a sporty car. Not very heavy, but a little bit more to the heavier side. I don't remember the Caddy how it was, but but it's fine. It's just fine. It's really fine. I think Volkswagen have also the same feeling on the steering on some cars. It's over the bumps, it's doing great. I think on the front we have McPherson independent suspension. On the rear, I'm not sure on the rear if we have multi-link independent or semi-independent. The way it feels, I think they are semi-independent. I'm not sure about that. I didn't find this info. I searched it for it a little bit on this model. Yeah, I think definitely they are probably semi-independent, but on the front we have independent for sure. McPherson. Anyway, over the bumps is doing fine, and also those seats help a lot. 17-inch rims also help. I see a lot of gummy there on the tire, so that means it's also very useful. So overall it's doing great over the bumps. I can't complain. Brakes and pedal feel good. Visibility is more than perfect. If you accelerate, it will accelerate also. It's quite powerful. Have a lot of power added to it. Also, we will turn around here. Brakes are good. Turning circle, it's quite fine. Going in reverse, we have a reverse camera. It feels a little bit of delay there when you accelerate, when you turn the car. It feels like you're having a utility vehicle, you know. It's not like a normal compact car. It feels, even in the steering, you have that little bit of delay in the acceleration as well, but overall everything it's added together in a good way. Even here over the bumps, it's great. I like those seats. The seats are fantastic. I have a super nice position. Over the bumps, it's lovely. We have 8.3 liter consumption until now. The climatic system, it's on and it's working at 3 or something like that position. I can't remember. Let me check out. Yeah, I think on 2, on second position. Also very easy. We have physical button here, very easy to reach out the map and the different functions. I like the fact that here on the steering wheel we have also different physical buttons to change different functions, like cruise control, adaptive cruise control. The car comes standard with adaptive cruise control. Yeah, this is happening when you don't have a place where to walk. But overall, over the bumps is great. Really, really good. And don't miss out the review video. I have a review video on my channel. Check that video out if you want to find out more information about the space in the back, how practical this car it is. You will see there more details. On the curves, it's doing fine. It's lean out a little bit, and you have to turn the steering wheel a little bit more, but that's fine. This is not a sporty car. By no means it's made to be a sporty car, and for that reason, the purpose of the car, the way it's driving, it's like an MPV. It adds also a little bit of van feeling added to the driving. When you need the power to go in, you have it, so it's just fine. Now if you set the cruise control, let me activate it from here, lane assist, activate it from here, and you want to set it out. Let's set this out. Okay, right now set it out and the car will keep the speed, and it will also brake and accelerate depend on what the car in front will do. So for example, right now you can see that the car is just holding the distance between me and the car in front. Look at this, it's braking automatically, and this system is very, very useful. Look at this, it's just brake automatically. I will take the control, and right now the car is driving itself, still driving itself. The lane assist, it doesn't work right now, but I think on the highway, now from here you activate and deactivate it. I think on the highway it should be fine. yeah, I would definitely get it with a bigger, with more horsepower. That would be fun. That would be nicer. Lane keeping assist, yeah, that will definitely work on the highway much better than here. Yeah, a lot of safety features, a lot of comfort features. It feels good. The sound insulation is great. Climatic system works super fine. So I can use this car for a utility vehicle, or I can definitely use it as a family car without any problem, and I can feel like in a comfortable car. The gear shifter is great. The driving feeling, it's super nice. Anyway, if you want to park it, the gear shifter, this shift by wire transmission, it's great. You can park it just like that. It's very easy. You have the visibility there. It's not the best camera on the market, but it's fine. Just like that, press the parking and you are parked. You have auto hold, electronic handbrake. It's nice. Let's see what was the consumption. 7.7 liter consumption. Average consumption on our trips, not bad at all. It's relatively good consumption. I like the car. It's really good. The comfort on those seats, it's great. Visibility, it's perfect. Huge windows, a lot of space here over my head and around here. Good visibility on the cockpit, on the multimedia. Very easy to reach out all these buttons, USB ports and stuff like that. It's a good car. It's a successful car. So great job, Ford and Volkswagen. So guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see the full review, interior, exterior with the same car, check out the other video with the full review. If it's not already on the channel, click the subscribe to see the notification when that video will come out. If you have questions, ask me down below, whatever you want to ask. If you want to buy the car, see the car, test drive the car, check out TH Wheelie, guys, in Bern or in Zurich. I will leave the link in the description. Also, this car, as you see before, it has a discount already, so good price, nice people here, so check them out. My rating for this Ford Tourneo Grand Connect from 1 to 10 will be 9.9 because it's a good price. I think 40,000 for what this car offers. Pretty good car, pretty good price. With 40,000 you buy a Polo these days or a Volkswagen, and you don't have that practicality in the back, but other than that you have everything that this car offers almost. So that was the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I guess I see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.